Next two section is about multiplication and division of two fractions. Section 4 and Section 5. Before we do the do this section, let's introduce one name here, reciprocal. Any number, including a whole number, that's 2 is assuming as 2 over 1. Reciprocal of a number is just a fraction flip over. Reciprocal of this number is 1 put at the numerator, 2 put at the denominator. These two numbers multiply themselves will be equal to 1. 2 times 1/2 equal 1. The way to do it, you just change into fraction and flip over. If you have a fraction like 3/4, reciprocal of this number is 4/3. Okay? If you have a negative number, then just put a negative for that. Flip over. Okay, how to change a mixed number into a reciprocal of mixed number? The first step, you change that into improper fraction. 1 times 5, add 3. That'll be 5 add 3, you get 8. That's equivalent to this. So reciprocal of this fraction is 5 put at the top, 8 put at the bottom. As you can see, these two numbers multiply, their product of these two fractions will be equal 1. That's reciprocal mean. Okay? Once we know the reciprocal, let's get into our multiplication problem and division problem. Let's see the checkpoint using our textbook number 5. That's our page number, checkpoint number 5. Page number 20. Okay? For example, B. 6 times 3/5. How do you do it? By the definition of the multiplication. This is 6 over 1 times 3 over 5. Use straight multiplication of numerator. 6 times 3, 18. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay? Keep your improper fraction, that'll be good. You don't, if that reducible, you have to reduce, but improper fraction usually is fine. If you change into mixed number, that will be 18 divided by 5, you get 3, and remainder 3/5. How do you get that? 18 divided by 5, 3, 15, remainder 3. That's how you get a mixed number. But usually, mixed number is not required. Okay? Let's have another example. D. Checkpoint 5, page number 20. D. 3 and 2/5. This fraction, mixed number, multiply another mixed number. How do you multiply these kind of fraction? Just one extra step. Change this mixed number into improper. 3 times 5, 15. Add 2, 17. The second mixed number, 1 times 2, 2 add 1, 3. That's this. So use straight multiplication of your denominator. 5, 2, 10. 17 times 3, use your calculator, 51. That's done. It's not reducible. That's okay. If you want to, instructor said change into mixed number, you divide by 51 by 10, 5, 50, that's remainder 1. So 5 and 1, 10. That's how we do our multiplication of the fraction. If we have a division, if we need to do division, then let's see our two examples. That's our page number 21. Checkpoint 6. A. 5/4 divided by 3/8. Okay? the definition of the division of the fraction is keep the first fraction, flip over using reciprocal of the second fraction, and then change into multiplication. That's a straight definition of the division. If you can reduce, okay, before you multiply your denominator and numerator, see that anything you can reduce, that will make your number smaller. So as you can see, 4 and 8, 1 here, 2 here. Then no more reduction to do. 1 times 3, 3, 5 times 2, 10. Okay, 10 third, or you write 1 and 1 third. 3 and 1 third. Okay, that's how we do the simple problem of a division. If you have another example, last example, C. 3 and 3 8 divided by 2 and 1 4. That's our C. Okay, how to do this? It's just basic principle is just like multiplication. Only difference is you multiply a reciprocal of the second term. The first term you change into improper. 3 times 8, 24. Add 3, 27. Okay, that's into improper fraction. And change this into improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 add 1 is 9. First step, change into proper fraction. And then next step, you use the reciprocal of the second fraction and change that into multiplication. Okay, you can straight multiplication for that and then reduce. But the better way to do this is reduce to 1, 2, 4, and 8 into 1 and 2. 27, 9, you can see that, 1 and 3. Okay, then note that's the lowest number. 2 times 1 is 2 here. 3 times 1 is 3. This is your result. Mixed number will be 1 and 1/2. Okay, that's it.